Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to purchase your very first business domain. Yay, that's so exciting. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, a domain is just your website name. So let's say you have already registered as a legal business, you have your business name officially, and now it's time to get a website up and running for you. So some people do this step before they actually create their business legally, which is totally fine. If you have a domain name that you want to go ahead and snag, it's okay to do that before you have your business set up legally if you want to just grab it before it's gone. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and show you the website that I recommend to buy a domain from. Okay, so here we are on Google Domains. So the website is literally domains.google.com, and this is what it's going to look like on your screen. And then all you have to do is search for the domain name that you want to use. So I'm just going to make up a photography company, and we're just going to call it Finding the Light Photography.com. Let's see if this is available or not. So we're going to type get it, or press get it, and see what comes up. Okay, so this domain is currently available. So because it has a little green check mark right here, it'll tell you this is the exact match. It has a popular ending, everything's spelled correctly, but it also gives you considerations of things that you might want to rethink about your domain, which is good that it gives you those options to think about. Most domains are going to be about $12 a year unless it's something really, really popular or very likely to get snatched up quickly. They might hike the price up on it, but most Google domains are $12 a year. I really like using Google domains because the interface is really easy to use, it's less complicated, and they have a really great help center to walk you through how to set it up, all of the tech stuff. So I recommend Google domains, although there are a lot of websites that you can actually purchase a domain from. So if we scroll down here, you'll see that it gives you other recommendations of things that you might want to consider instead of the one that you typed in. So it's great to get some inspiration from this section and see what's available. So now instead of .com and .org and .net, we have all of these different endings that you could potentially use. So I know some photographers that use .photo instead of .com. That's really a personal preference. I always prefer .com because it's easiest for people to remember. They're used to typing .com, and so there won't be really any confusion when you give people your website name. However, if you want to be creative and do something different, that is totally your preference. So here we can see that Finding the Light photography is more expensive. So that one's $20 a year. So if you're looking for something more cheap, there's a lot of different options that are $12. Let's see, most are $12 down here. And you'll see it gives you all kinds of recommendations of words to use instead of the ones that you typed, and all of the ending names as well. So whenever you decide on the domain that you want, all you're going to do is click Add to Cart, and it's going to automatically add it, and then you go to your cart and check out. That's it. So it's really, really super easy. And even if you don't have a website set up, or you're not planning to build a website soon, you can still go ahead and purchase a domain if there's one that you have your eye on and you want to go ahead and snag it before anyone else can claim it. So sometimes you'll run into domains that are more expensive because someone has them currently, but it's not in use, and you can purchase it for a really high price. So if you are looking for a domain and your name is really a popular name, something like Emily Grace or something like that, where your first and middle name are really common and that's what you want to use, you might find that your domain could be available for purchase still, but it's very, very expensive because your name is common or really popular. So I have had friends before with very common names that go to purchase their domain. They hope to purchase it, and it is something like $1,500, which is insane. And at that point, you probably want to reconsider what domain name you're going to use, even if that's just changing the end of it to something like .photo or .info or something like that. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys, walking you through Google Domains and how to purchase your first one. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in another video soon.